Now we're going to show using our split course method or standard method when we're flashing a pipe on a Pinecrest shake directed deck. So first we'll locate our pipe, go ahead and cut our base panel around that pipe. Take your caulking, do a bead of caulking below the pipe. And we're going to go ahead and flatten this out slightly. And then we're going to take our pipe jack and anything behind the coursing, we're going to go ahead and do a water stop. So we're going to fold it over on itself. That way no wind-driven rain gets underneath the pipes. So then we'll go ahead and place this into the caulking. And then we can go ahead and fasten that down through the top into that caulking. And then we're going to go ahead and come back with our pipe or our panel, and we're going to go ahead and cut that pipe jack out as tight as possible. And we're going to go ahead and place that panel and make sure it's fitting nice and tight. Then we can come back and fasten the panel with our normal fastening pattern. Then once we get all our fastening done, we'll come back with our caulk. And our touch-up kit. We'll go ahead and come around and caulk around that pipe. And then we'll come back with our granules and put them in that caulking. And then we can finish it off using our pipe sleeve. The pipe sleeve is just going to fit over the top here. And I can trim this to whatever pitch the roof is. And then we can go ahead and fasten back into the pipe here. And then you'll be all set to go.